Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we are learn robot.txt. So what is robot.txt? So guys, this is a simple text file. This is using in SEO. Suppose you want to not crawling your data. So in this text file, you can add your libraries and don't allow for Google crawling and another search engine crawling. So this is restrict your libraries, your files, your images, and so many things on your file system, right? So in Magento, where is stain.txt? So in Magento, go to admin area, right? Enter username and password, right? Enter username and password and go to content and configuration, right? Here is choose your theme. Suppose here is Magento Luma, and if you have any your custom theme, so same thing, you can add it from your theme, right? Go to here search engine robots, right? So here is your robot.txt, right? So your robot.txt you can allow from full access. This is full access from your file system. User agent allow, or you want to don't allow from all files folder. So user agent disallow, right? Or you want to some instructions, right? All things is crawling, but you don't need for lib directory for crawling, .php crawling and packaging info reports, where directory and catalog, customers and friends and review and other things also. So you can add from these of things inside from here, right? Because you don't need from these things, you can add at a crawling time, right? So here is option indexing follow. So all of things is indexing your category pages, product pages, your CMS pages, all of indexing at crawling time, right? And same other things you can no index. This is not indexing and follow is continue, and index not following and use for most of two things are using index following or no index no follow, because this time is scrolling your pages and product is continuous. And second things, no index no follow, your product and your anything's not crawling at Google time, right? So these are two things, index follow and non index no follow. So this is robot.txt. You can disallow or restrict something directory not at a crawling time, right? So this is necessary, you can add from this, because reporting system not necessary for crawling time, where directory not crawling time and your catalog and customer things, no need from this is because this is public area. So but this is public area, but you don't need from troll Google because this is a dump, right? So this is robot.txt, right? So thank you so much in this video. If you have any problem about robot.txt, right, please comments me. I definitely revert as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.